we are gonna look at coilover kit high-low 9.2 for the E46 from Lowtec. Here it is, the German Lowtec coilover set, made in Germany for the E46. As you know, Lowtec specializes in BMW, just like Schmiedmann does. Let's have a look what's in the box. As it is here, it is a complete set from Lowtec for left and right hand drive BMWs. A quite big range in the screw thread. You can actually lower this set from 10 to 70 millimeters in the front and from 10 to 60 millimeters in the back, which makes your car's stance really aggressive. Just look at this BMW E46 where we mounted this kit. As we go through this set, we really feel the super high quality of this made in Germany coilover set. The coils are made of steel, which make them really robust and gives a good ride. And all the colored parts, as you see here, the purple and of course the bracket, the purple and the black, which goes directly onto the rear axle. It's coated so you avoid corrosion. If you need a coilover kit for your BMW E46 or any other model, Schmiedmann.com is the way to go. We have a complete range of Lowtec. Just have a look at Schmiedmann.com. You'll find whatever you need for your BMW or Mini. If you like content like this, don't forget to share it with a BMW or Mini enthusiast in your network. The more you share, the more content, the better content we can do for you.